Hey guys, today we're going to talk about KitchenAid wall ovens and ovens in general and why everybody loves them. So at the end of the day, entry-level KitchenAids are going to be kind of where other brands are going to have their mid-tier and upper-end product. Across the entire lineup, you're going to find some things standard there that maybe you won't find standard in other brands, convection being a big thing. So convection systems are going to be essentially a fan system in the back of the oven, and then in this case, since we're in a wall oven, it's going to actually have an extra electric element in the back of it, and that's what you would call true convection or European convection. They're synonymous. It's going to give you more even baking temperatures and actually a little quicker preheat time, some benefits to that. Other little things that you'll find on KitchenAid or other brands out there, you're going to have a higher quality in terms of build materials. If you look at these racks, you're going to find things like ball bearing glide racks, heavier gauge stainless steel, closer spacing. It's just going to be a little better build quality than you're going to find in other things. This little guy right here, this is a temperature probe. This is going to be standard in all your KitchenAid wall ovens in the 27s and 30s. And basically, this is like your cheat code. If you're doing your turkey or something, we're coming up on like some of the holidays right now. You can pop this in, set it to 165. When it's done, it'll let you know when your internal temperature hits that 165. If you're doing some steaks or something, you want medium rare, set it to 130, and it'll let you know. 130, you got a medium rare steak. So little things like that added to it. Their control interfaces can be simple, or they have some more advanced touchscreen stuff. They have some different things kind of across the board there, depending on what you're comfortable with technology-wise. They'll have Wi-Fi on certain models, not across the entire lineup, but you have a little bit of everything there based upon your comfort level. Another thing I like about KitchenAid too is they have sizing. I won't get too far into the weeds with that, but you need 24, 27, 30. They got them all covered in the wall oven for you. And then American made is another thing that is important to a lot of my customers. So they're part of the Whirlpool Corporation. It's still all built here in the United States. So at the end of the day, you got a high quality unit for a reasonable price in a lot of different sizes to fit your needs, and then it's built here in the States. It's just all around a great value.